So welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to discuss the active. So I will in the active passive we have already done the configuration. I will utilize the same configuration, but the only thing is that I will change the mode to active. Alright, so let's go back to the Palo Alto number one now. So let's go to the device and I will go to the general one, and here I will edit that one and I will select active. If you change the mode active, then all active passive configuration will be lost. That's all good. Okay, yes. And now it is asking which device is this one. This one is 0 or number 1. So 0 means primary, 1 means secondary. So I will select 0 and the PRHA1 IP address, which is already been configured. So I will click on OK. And that's it. Click on commit and commit. Next thing, I will do the same thing over here. Also on the device, I will go to the general option and I will edit over here and I will select active, click on yes, and I will select this one is a device number 1, click on OK, and let's go ahead and do the commit. Come back here, close it, let's go back to the dashboard. Now let's open the taskbar and let's monitor the commit, and here also we'll close it, we'll go to the dashboard, click on taskbar and commit. So let the commit finish, and after that we should see the instead of active passive, now we should see active. Error natural active device binding option primary or both do not support dynamic translation. Okay, so there is one issue here, that is on the Palo Alto 2, I do have a NAT policy configured. So I will remove that NAT policy, because when we did the active passive, it was supposed to remove this configuration, but in the virtualization it did not remove it. So let me delete it and delete it. Let's go ahead and commit it, come back here, commit and commit. Okay, let the commit be finished. Okay, almost 98. So let's see if we have any errors over here now. Error natural active device binding option primary and both do not support. Device 1 failure commit. So this one has been committed because looks like the virtualization is not working correctly. So what I will do, I will go to policy and I will remove the NAT configuration from here, just for testing purpose. Commit and commit. Now if I come back to the dashboard over here, now it should see the mode is mismatched right now, and 21 is still being active because we are still committing that one. So once the commit is successful, we will check that status. Right, still it says not synchronized. Right, configuration committed successfully. Okay, close and close, and you see that active active. This one is the active primary, the other one is the active secondary, and now all the ports have been come online now. Now what I will do, I will go back to the policy one more time. Now I will create a NAT policy on the active peer. The original packet, I will select which will be the inside, destination will be outside. I should have disabled that one, but that's okay. I will quickly let me go ahead and do the commit now. If I refresh that one, everything should be matching now. All of them are green on the peer secondary unit also. And let the commit be finished. Okay. Right, so active device binding option primary, and both do not support dynamic translation. So it is not supporting the dynamic translation. Let me configure as a static one. Translated packet, I will select static IP. That should be select bidirectional. I will create one Palo Alto 1 public IP, and the IP will be 192.168.1.128. So basically static NAT also we are doing the same thing. We want that interface 1/1 IP address to be assigned. So let the commit be finished now. Right, so mismatch of static IP source translation address between original address and translated. Alright, so I think I might be causing these issues because of the Palo Alto of here, secondary Palo Alto, which has not synchronized its config and did not delete these interfaces. But if you see that my active primary is been up and running and both of them are synchronized, that should be all good. So it's just a virtualization issue, because once the synchronization is complete, it should already remove those IP addresses, and that should be, after that we should be able to configure NAT policies and all different policies. So this was the active configuration. I hope this was informative for you, and thank you.